Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have like the world's smallest Ulta haul today, which probably I wasn't even like planning on bringing this to you guys, but I've kind of talked about some of these things and so I just wanted to bring it up. And why not? I mean, I just want to chat sometimes, and so I thought I would come on here and do so. So they had their 21 days of beauty. Is it still going on? I'm so out of the loop with beauty stuff. I used to be super into it. If you're like have been around on my channel for a really long time, you may know this, but honestly, like I do the same shebang every day. Like honestly, I don't even know I have so many eyeshadow palettes. I really don't mix it up. So I'm really out of the loop with that type of stuff, but I still like get the catalogs and like, you know, so I knew it was the 21 days of beauty. And some of the stuff kind of piqued my attention. So I was ordering one day, which I wasn't even really gonna place the order, but I realized I had points expiring the next day and it was enough to redeem like $12 worth. And so I was like, that's pretty significant amount. So I'm going to just place the order. So I added on a couple smaller things that I want to touch on briefly. I added on this Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil, which says it's waterproof and lasts up to 16 hours. It's in the shade Espresso, which is brown. I'm totally out of like eyeliner or anything of the sort. This doesn't seem like it's the highest quality, but also like it's Essence, so I wasn't necessarily like expecting the highest quality. I really just want something that I can like kind of put on my lash line and maybe like buff out a little bit. We'll see how that goes. I haven't had a eyeliner in a really long time. And then also from Essence, I really I'm using the ABH mascara. Is it called Lash Brag maybe? Acting like I know some stuff. I have like a little sample of that, but Sarah Rose mentioned in one of her videos recently that just totally like has been smudging for her. And when she said it, it totally clicked in my mind. It was like, wow, I've been having like so much like under my eyes, but I just figured it was like either the concealer I had put on that day or like it's getting warmer out. So I don't know. I literally was not thinking at all that it was the mascara. But when she said that, I was like, you know, that could be me as well. So I'm not loving it, so I figured why I'm placing the order. I picked up the Essence Lash Princess, and I didn't get the waterproof kind because I'm not really into waterproof mascara, but also I haven't opened this just in case you guys are like, no, you should have gotten the waterproof kind. I've never tried an Essence mascara. Does Ulta even like do returns and exchanges right now? Like I haven't been there in so long. Like I said, my points were about to expire. That's like how long it's been. But I feel like this is a good one, but also, like I said, I didn't get the waterproof because I'm really unfamiliar with that. So, but really what I was shopping for, and the reason I placed my order, was for the Nudestix. Their like cream cheek products were half off, or happened to be half off on one of the days. And if you guys have been following along, I really enjoyed this mini milk makeup bronzer in the shade Baked. This is in my project pan, but if you can tell, like she's at the nub. It's supposed to roll up, like there's a ton of product in here and it's supposed to roll up, but one time I was on camera and it rolled up. All the other times I've been on camera trying to roll it up, it won't work. And it doesn't work for me when I try to use it every day. So I've been sticking my brush in there, and I've been convinced that I'm going to potentially replace this, but then Nudestix had their little things on sale. And so I was like, maybe I should try out their bronzer. So I ended up picking up their Bondi Bay, which is like their, I don't know, would you call it a bronzer? I'm gonna compare the two. It says bronze color and it's the lighter of the two that they have, I believe. So I'm going to just like swatch them if I can swatch this one. Oh wow, this is a disaster. Wow, this is a horrid representation. This is the Milk Makeup, which looks so dark. It's really not that dark, you guys. Like, I was struggling. And then this is the Nudestix. It feels like the container's gonna fall apart. I have other ones of these, but they don't feel like this. Okay, Nudestix Bondi Bay. I was gonna say it looks cooler in the container, but honestly on my arm, it looks almost warmer. This is the baked and this is the Nudestix. It looks almost like more orange, doesn't it? They're honestly probably pretty close. So, honestly, I was gonna replace the Milk Makeup one, but since the other one was half off and I had the $12 off coupon, there it is blended out. Let's do the other one. I was like just gonna go for it. I don't know. I feel like off the bat, I like the texture of the Milk Makeup one more, but also like, I don't know, the full-size Milk Makeup one is like $30. And then this one was on sale for $17 and I had $12 off. So that's like kind of a big difference in my opinion. So here are the two of them like blended out. This is the Milk Makeup and this is the Nudestix. Honestly, they look pretty similar. And I feel like on the face, they're gonna look really similar. This definitely doesn't have as much product, but since it's cream, I'm like kind of okay with that just because I don't want it to like go bad necessarily. So I'm calling it quits with the Milk Makeup and I'm just gonna use the Nudies one from here on out just because look at this thing. Like I got some really good life and use out of it, but digging into the container is just not a good deal anymore. So I just wanted to share, that's literally everything that I got. I just really wanted to share that with you guys because if you had been following my Milk Makeup bronzer struggles, and then I kind of want your opinions on the Lash Princess from Essence as well. So let me know what you guys think down below. Have you picked up anything from the sale? Or I know like the VIP sale's coming up. Do you guys have recommendations? I'm so out of the loop. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.